Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on the hottest day of the week or maybe of the month of the year. Yes, it's today, Tuesday, July the 19th, 2022. In this daily newspaper with only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the additional with extra puzzles. We have here the letter Sudoku. And look, I see here a letter Sudoku with no double letters. Yeah, those letters are unique. Each letter is unique. That's strange. Maybe the publisher noticed that double letters will get troubles, and you will have more solutions. Anyway, 2 stars. The 3 stars we have here, the 4-star Sudoku, 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. They call it Cypher block in Dutch, and one binary. Yes. So only 7 extra puzzles. And the news of today, yes, today, the hottest day of the week. Oh, let me show you. 39 degrees today, Tuesday, yes. And the days after will be not so hot as today. So it will be the hottest day of the year, or maybe the month. Well, 39 degrees. It's not happened here in the Netherlands. All right, let me continue with the medium Sudoku, and this will be number. I believe 4873. 4873. Let me mark those numbers. 4873. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixes. So let me start with a 6 then. We have a 6 in the last row. 6 in the row. In that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. You see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in that row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right, and then. And then, let me see. How about the number, let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. In this big square, we have a 4 in the second row. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. But we have a 1 in this column. First column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. 8. Well, 3 missing numbers. In the first column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, and look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 2. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me think. We have 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes because I cannot fill those numbers yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. Yeah. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4 and an 8 earlier. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Okay, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. Right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column. 7 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the third row. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in this box. Here 3 in the second row, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row. 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. Alright. Then. Cannot continue with the 9, but we have 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And we have a pair, I believe, the 5 and the 9 in the last row, the 5 and the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay. I can continue with the 9 now. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then. 2 numbers left in the third row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Yeah, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square. Four numbers. So the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. And we solve it again. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.